from this to this. Hey there everyone, I hope you all are doing wonderful. Since a few days I have been wanting to upgrade my planters. As you can see, these are all little black pots which come with these plants. So I have been wanting to upgrade these, but damn, they are expensive. I mean, look at this one. I got this one for $8 from Walmart. I know it's not very expensive on its own, but when you have few planters, the cost can add up really quickly, especially if you have them in different sizes. So I thought I'll just need a quick little DIY to make them look prettier. So here I am with this just little one accessory that I found at Walmart for about $3 I think, and I'm hoping this will be enough to convert them into something else. Not really, but just to make them look prettier. And to make sure that this thing works, I actually already tried it on this little pot, and it has been, I think, more than a week, and it's holding pretty well. It's not coming off of it, so that's pretty great. I'm pretty excited about it. Well, I'm not a painter, so I googled some designs on I googled some design on Google. I googled some and found these. I'll just put them here and let's get into it. I'll move around the camera a little bit so that you have better angle of what I'm doing. But let's get started. So I'm starting with this one because this is the smallest one. And you know what? If you see any imperfections, I mean, I'm not worried about that because these are kind of like my home plants. I'm not doing it for anyone else, and the imperfections are basically gonna tell that yeah, I did it myself. So don't worry about that too much. I just wanted to have fun with it. I wanted to try something new, and that's why I'm doing it. So I hope you can see it. I'll just take a quick look what you are seeing, and then yeah. So we are starting with the second one now. I'm gonna do 3 plants today, and actually I have only 3. So yeah, but if you see any flies flying around, please pardon them. They are the part of this garden. Especially in the winters, we bring all our plants in, and they just comes along with them. But if you have any solution for them, please let me know, and I would like to try that out. I find it pretty good looking just like this, but I guess I'm gonna go ahead and take the next step. Let me know towards the end how did you like it, like this or as I will show in the end. Alright, so this bigger one plant, this one should have its own video because I should have recorded what I did and how I created this. This is not a planter that I bought from my store, or this plant didn't come in this one. This used to be a protein powder box. The containers the protein powder come in, and I just cut it on top over here, and the other part also I didn't throw it out. That's doing its part somewhere else in the home. But yeah, so I'm pretty proud about this, that I created it and I didn't throw the box, the whole box away, and it comes in me from my mom. She used to do a lot of those things, so I'm pretty proud about it. And how many times can I say I'm proud about it? So many, right? And I just would like to mention one thing over here that you see over here. This is from the labeling of that protein powder, which I didn't bother to clean for some reason. But if you try to create a planter or something out of those things, please try to clean these ahead of time. And it can take a minute or two, but it will be better. It will look more chic, I guess, or more clean. But I just didn't mind. So your hand pen does start to burn a little bit. Oh my god, I do have more appreciation for painters now. As I said earlier too, that it's not about perfection for me. It's just a fun outlet for me. I just wanted to do something that makes me just spend time, kind of like therapy, mental therapy for my own sake. And I know this is not something extravagant or something that people will go crazy about or anything, but if it gives peace to you, if it brings joy to you, I guess. I know that joy is a very underrated word nowadays, but if it does bring joy to you, do try it and do have fun with it. You don't have to be, who am I going to show these? I mean, if somebody comes to my house, the main event is here, the plant itself, not this. This is for me. So yeah, I mean, I just wanted to say it out loud that it's okay to have fun and just have imperfections right there. I'm a perfectionist, so it's a big deal that it's coming out of me that I'm saying that imperfection is okay. So yeah, it's almost done. Alright guys, so here is what the end product looks like. I don't know, for some reason I'm absolutely loving these. I mean, come on, these didn't take me a whole lot of time, maybe less than 2 hours, and maybe sometime in seeing what designs do I want. So yeah, and here's the big one for you. And I would like to say one thing here though, that if you are planning to do something like this with your planters, do try to paint them before you plant something in them, because the grip will be better when the surface is flat, and also your paint will be like this automatically, so you won't have to keep pushing it out. So yeah, it wouldn't require that much of energy and it will be done even quicker. Here is one more view that you can look at. I really like these. Please do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you liked what I did with these planters. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and also comment below how did you like it, especially this one. I mean, before and after I asked you how did you like this one. So yeah, I think I probably should end this video, right? I'm talking too much. Alright guys, bye bye, talk to you next time. Have a wonderful day.